lake almost an hour ago, and we saw one buffalo or bison sleeping on the side of the road. We passed a fox running down the side of the road. There's some more bison. I've heard of them. Oh, the silver. Dang it.
Uh-oh, where the bison will roam.
I'm sure we'll see some more. The sun's starting to come up. It is really cold. It's like 20 below or something. River on our way to Fort Nelson.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about
And the sun is setting. It is what? Almost 4:30 here in wherever we are, either Yukon or BC.
Wow, that's like
What did Dan say?
now he's marking the snow.
Goodbye, moose. Oh,
I got
dinner time.
She must be recording for the show.
We just checked out of our hotel. It's been the nicest one we've had so far on this trip. And now we're headed to Grand Prairie, which is only supposed to be 6.5 hours away.
Shorter drive, yeah.
This was the Lakeview Inn and Suites. It was very nice, although the breakfast sucked.
Oh.
So it'll be a shorter day today than yesterday. This is how Chihuahuas survive the frozen north. So cute. Pit stop time. Chihuahua burrito.
Hi, Tuffy. Okay, buddy. He does
Or sandwich me. He's such a good girl. What's this place called? Sasquatch Crossing. Very nice people here. We couldn't get gas.
You have to have a special card.
But we were able to use the facilities and buy some snacks and coffee.
I got trail.
Onward to Grand Prairie. Time for another pit stop, and my co-pilot has changed to Ever,
Hello.
and backseat driver is now Liam.
Hello. And so you're different crew.
Yes, that's right. Different crew. Keeping us safe from passing truck drivers and ravens, and the occasional sign. We're going through Fort St. John. We're in farm country now. We are in Grand Prairie, and we got a hotel that has suites. It's too bad we'll only be here one night. It's pretty nice. This is Mom and Dad's room. Got some laundry going in there. What do you think, Beth?
Ever quick your mouth in bed.
So this morning we woke up to a blizzard, blowing snow and minus 32 degrees wind chill.